So I was at work today and it was a truly blustery hot day. And I thought, I know the exact place that I want to be right now. It's in the back of an open field, and that's the train going by. It's not always quiet there, but it's in the back of a field, and as you walk in, the temperature drops, and you get there, and it's just running water and stillness. Today, we will be spending some time in our blue spaces, connecting with water to soothe and refresh, to replenish our energy and allow it to flow and release so that it doesn't build up in our bodies as tension and stress. For this session, it would be best to be near some body of water. That can be a stream, the ocean, a pond, or if that isn't possible, focus on the sounds and images in this video to bring you closer to the water element. Let's take a moment just to be still and bring our attention to our breathing, to the present moment. Become aware of your body and your breath as you share it with the world around you. Make any adjustments as needed, and if you prefer to move about during this session, make sure that you are going slowly and remaining present in the moment and with your breath. Now take a few deeper breaths in your own time, and if you'd like, you can close your eyes or gaze softly at the water. Spaces with water hold a cooling, soothing energy that flows into the air and earth around it. Feel the refreshing air on your skin, fill your lungs with fresh, cooling air, and release the heat and tension as you breathe out. We'll take a few breaths now. Breathe in, hold, release. Hold. Breathe in. Hold. Release. Hold. Continue breathing in deep, full breaths in your own time. Focus now on the sounds of the water you're with. Maybe you can hear more than one sound as the water moves and flows. Focus just on one sound for a moment. Where does it start? Does it finish? If you run your hands through the water, how long does the sound continue? Fill your ears with the sound of water. Continue breathing in slow, deep breaths. Now slowly turn your attention to the movement of the water. Watch as it follows its path, or as the waves slowly build, float towards the beach, then roll onto the sand. If you are with still water, watch the ripples of the surface when you drop a leaf in. Follow the journey of the water until it finishes. Breathing deeply and keeping your gaze soft and slow. While you are here, open up yourself to a feeling of release and relinquishing, of letting go. Observe any thoughts or emotions that may arise and allow them to follow that flow of the water. Notice as any tension or built-up heat within your body and mind moves away from you as the ripples move out from the center, as the waves roll onto the sand, or as the stream continues along its path. With self-compassion and kindness, acknowledge that some thoughts or emotions can be challenging to release, but that they are part of a larger journey, which is winding like the journey of water, and our thoughts and feelings can arise for a time and then fade away. Just as the water springs at the top of the mountain and makes its meandering way to the river and sea, we too journey through many moments. While we cannot return to the spring at the top of the mountain, we can in every moment decide where we want to continue our journey, and that is quite exciting. As you observe the water, create a short poem or story describing its journey or a part of its journey. This doesn't need to be perfect, it can take any shape or form. So we tend to overthink and overwork things. So this is a chance just to put on paper what you've observed in the water around you, and then let it go. As we finish up, take a few deep, refreshing breaths. Stretch if you'd like, and wake up your body. Noticing the sounds of water and the freshness that the water gives the air. Take a moment to give gratitude to yourself, to nature, and the time you've taken to connect with the world around you today. Thank you for joining me in nature today.